Okay guys, say hello. This is Eunice. This is Olivia.
Hi.
And this is Ekta.
Hello.
So today I'm gonna cook jemput pisang. Jemput pisang. And also smashed beef burger. Recipe from Khairul Amin. I got the banana, the bun, cheese, flour, and sugar for the jemput, and oil, and this is the beef. Right.
The jemput pisang is
What are you gonna
best. I'm making chicken, baked chicken, but then like I didn't know what to put, so I put apple cider vinegar because my friend left his apple cider vinegar with me, so I didn't know what to do with it. So I put apple cider vinegar, sugar, black pepper, and salt.
What are you making?
I am making a vegetarian shepherd's pie with lentils instead of meat.
Wow.
Yay.
Sounds fancy. And I know I asked you already, but can you explain?
I'm making what is essentially a cream cheese and avocado sandwich. Those are my ingredients right there, an array of them.
Okay, right. This is my cupboard, by the way. So nice, right?
Look at him. He has like a cup of oil.
This is normal in Malaysia.
No,
Please, guys, back me
I'm
up.
Malaysian.
This is normal. Yeah.
You forget she's also
Just
from
throw it down the
Malaysia.
sink.
She can fact check you.
Tasty snacks in there
16.
of June.
I didn't press the record button.
No! Now's video is amazing. Photography. I mean, cameras.
Videography.
Cinnamon swirl.
She said just now she was massaging the kale.
Yes.
I was like reenact this.
Hey,
So
guys.
dumb. She's about to throw this away, but it still smells okay.
No, it doesn't. You
I
just
would have used
smell
it.
it.
I would.
He's saying that
actually-
smells good. Just
No,
smell
it smells
You can see the
edible.
more.
It smells
I can
edible.
smell it.
The
Just smell
I want
it.
to smell more.
Will you smell it? No.
Oh my god, see
Not
now.
funny me.
Thanks.
Yeah, you just always makes fun of me for having it.
What's that so good to talk about? I just ate one this week.
And then they cut it. So I was like, I want to eat. So I was like,
Do you know what else is a scam? UCL. Because they scam us all the time. They said that, oh, we have the option of being learning remotely or coming to physical classes. But then when we came over, everything was online. Like we only had like a few practicals that were in person. And then in term 2, everything was still remote.
That was your course's experience,
Yeah.
because for me, term 2 was 100% in person.
Same as well. So I think kind of sucks that they didn't standardize it.
So there was literally no reason.
She's done.
how do you like it?
It looks so healthy.
Healthy.
Veggies.
It's yummy.
This is just like a vegetarian version of mincemeat. So like how you would cook mincemeat, but with lentils.
Is this like the gravy for the potatoes?
Yes.
Potatoes.
It smells bad.
Okay. Bye bye.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna leave this line here.
So I just finished making my jemput pisang. It's here. Looks bussin'. Now I'm trying to make the burger. I've already toasted the bun, and I'm making the smashed patty. The thing is, I couldn't find the Maggi seasoning, the liquid black Maggi seasoning that burger hawkers always use back in Malaysia. So I don't know how I'm gonna make it tasty. Do I just like
Soy
sprinkle
sauce.
some soy sauce,
Uh-huh.
like ketchup? Is it?
Uh-huh. Do you have oyster sauce?
Oyster is enough like seafood. What if I put like salt and pepper? Would that be like enough?
Because I have no idea what the Maggi seasoning tastes like.
Okay, I'll just put like salt and pepper, I guess.
Also, he said that his jemput pisang is basin, but I think it's just burnt.
Does it look burnt? Okay, yeah, it's a bit like black. But this is still
It
okay.
looks like tandoori chicken. Such a sad cupboard.
Shall we see how her cupboard looks like?
Okay, open it. Okay, mine is even sadder.
Look
you
at
know
the
why?
sad state of it. But look how empty it is.
Excuse
Look how you are not
I have,
utilizing
I have nutritional yeast, black
Okay.
pepper, soda, bicarbonate, sea salt, and corn flour. And then up
Okay.
there is, I just can't reach it, so I don't even bother putting much stuff there. It's my spices behind, and my oil,
Okay.
and my stuff.
You see, she has 2 cupboards. I
No.
only have 1.
I even have
See?
one more.
Poor me. You have 3? Oh my god.
Olive oil? Why?
Why? Because I can't find frying oil.
Only Jamie Oliver uses olive oil.
Bro, how do I open this?
Let me help you. I'm strong.
My hands are very oily.
No, give me.
It's very oily.
I can watch. Watch.
Watch how she feels.
No. Wait. Okay. How do I fail? But I'm pretty sure I'm stronger than you, so.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Wow. That's some oil. That's how it's done.
But why?
Because it's called smashed burger.
Shit.
No, it's a thing.
No,
Yes,
I've never
it
heard of
is.
it. Have you ever went to a fast food chain and be like, hi, I would like to order a smash burger, please?
That's because they don't do it in fast food chains. They do it in burger restaurants.
No, I've never
It's
seen
in-
that in Burger Lab.
You just didn't see it on the menu.
No.
It is a thing, I swear. Yes. Stupid!
It turned off his
It was off! No wonder! Aiyo!
This guy.
Then I'm gonna flip it and then put cheese on it and it's gonna melt on the pan.
Look at him, struggling.
My hands are oily. I know that you go to gym, okay? I don't go gym. Ouch! Oh,
Veggie? Do you even eat veggies?
I don't know what veggies were. I wanted to get
Look at him trying the.
final touch.
Wow, artistic. Wow. 1 more minute.
1 minute.
1 more minute.
Let's go.
Today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. You can eat at 8:06. No.
It's only 2 more minutes. Look at my food. Wow.
Wow, okay. I need a close up of this.
It's a deconstructed
Wow.
shepherd's pie vegetarian.
Sorry for that.
Mine is just apple cider vinegar chicken. Smells so
Very
bad,
exotic.
but it tastes not as bad.
Orange juice. I just bought it just now.
1 minute.
1 minute.
You must be so excited.
Very excited. Every day.
But surely you need more food than that.
Yeah.
It's 8:08.
Okay, let's go.
What's the first thing you're gonna eat when you get back to Malaysia?
Ni kolok.
I knew it! I knew it!
If you drink it though.
Oh, I'll get like diarrhea and stuff.
Hi,
You're
Nikkei.
subscribed.
Say hi. Thank
Hi.
you so much.
You have +1 subscriber. Food.
No!
It's good.
He's crying inside.
Yeah, he's like, it's good. Okay, granola dry, understandable. Weetabix dry, literally a crime.
Yeah,
That must actually hurt your throat.
exactly.
Like
Make a tour of the kitchen. It is Astor College's kitchen, but I don't think this is how all the kitchen look like. Ours is like considered pretty small, right? And we have 10 people in our flat, and look at that, only 4 chairs, 1 fridge and 1 freezer, and 1 microwave over here. Yeah, it's
That's like half a fridge.
And 2 induction hobs, 2 ovens.
Too cramped for 10 people.
I think it's good, but also too cramped. But it's not the worst.
I agree with her. And like all the other kitchens on this floor are nicer.
They look like they don't even have a stove.
They do.
Okay.